Hello everybody, Sam here. I just wanted to mention really quick that I have a Nintendo Switch and I was going to give out my code, or friend code or whatever, and see if any of you guys want to play like Fortnite or Mario Kart or something with me. Do keep in mind that any videos I try to post for like gaming related won't be on the Nerf Gun channel, it will be on the gaming channel. So let's see, if I go to me, I forgot how to do this. Friends next? No. Click on that. Add a friend. User request, user settings maybe? No. Here we go. Alright, so the friend code is SW539, or, wow, I'll just show it. You may pause the video whenever. Okay. Just to repeat it, it is SW-53094261437. Just to show you guys again. And that's it. If you guys want to play games with me or play Fortnite or whatever, I'm up for it. Because I honestly suck really bad at Fortnite. But I could use some like mentoring, so to speak. Maybe some tutoring on how Fortnite works. Because I've never played a Battle Royale kind of game ever in my entire life. Aside from Mario Party, but that's not the same. So thanks for watching, guys. If you, like I said, I have the code right there on the Nintendo Switch. I showed it twice. I said it out loud. I'll also put it in the description below, and also be put in both of my channel descriptions, both the Nerf Gun and the gaming channel I both have. So thanks for watching.